Hey guys, Ryan the Fan Guy, and here we have an aftermath of Little Havana hurricane. So we're gonna check on. So at least we don't need to check the backside because backside's okay. It was just blowing towards this way. It was like a Category 2 hurricane. Everything seems okay right here on the side. Even the fans are okay. Nothing got destroyed on there, and the birdhouse held up pretty strong. These fans are okay. Lanai's could definitely. These Casablanca Lanai's could definitely stand a hurricane. Everything's okay in there. Everything's okay up here. And the power's back on again, too. Up here, everything seems okay. Except these fans. Now, these fans are actually broken. Test them on at the end, see if that one wobbles. That doesn't even wobble. These ones right here have an issue. Low. 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 And low. These ones all have broken blades. And this one too, the blade arm snapped off in that one. This one has a broken blade and a snapped blade arm. This one, the blade arm snapped off on this one.
It's time for your medications.
I'll be right back really quick.
Thank you.
I have to take my meds really quick. But here's low on these hands. I'm gonna try medium. Actually, I'm gonna wait off to try medium because I don't want them to fall on people. And they're wobbling the towel. I'm back. That was just a quick med. I know, sorry about the med thing. Here's medium, 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 and medium. Holy Jesus, that's wobbly. That one over there is wobbling like crazy too. And I'm not going to run them on high for too long. Because I know they'll fall on someone. Well, high, 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 high. Pretty much the only one that can be run is the one at the end. This one's wobbling like Ryan's Bar and Grill. That one's wobbling bad. That one's wobbling too, like Ryan's. The one at the end has a snap. Is wobbling because of the snap blade arm. Because it was. Alright, let's try turning them off. That's gonna be way too much now. They're like dancing all over the place. This one stopped quickly too because they're all dancing. Go ahead and turn the end one off. Poor things. Alright, let's turn it off right here. At least let's check the fourth floor and see if the rotos hold up. The Roto XLs did hold up pretty good, actually. Yeah, anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, actually, I'm going to go down and check the Zonixes. 2 of the Zonixes have bad caps, by the way, too. Huxley's are inside fans, so those don't count. Pool still has no water. We gotta add the water back in. This one does have a bad cap. Not from the hurricane. I think a storm blew it. Or probably got used too much. This one also does too. Yep. Back fans are okay. Grand patio's okay. Those fans are okay. Anyways, I hope you. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, like, comment, and subscribe.